So really set your criteria on the type of property investment that you're looking to make. The second thing is you really got to know your area. I'm based here in Fort Myers in Southwest Florida, so I focus on some key areas in Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Lehigh Acres, North Fort Myers, Estero that I focus on. So know your area, very important. Next, know your budget. Like, you don't want to go driving neighborhoods where there's $500,000, $700,000 houses if you're looking to buy a $100,000 or $150,000 house. So know your budget on the type of property that you're looking to purchase. Next thing is very important if you're going to be doing a fix and flip is know your renovation level. Like, how much money do you have available or can you get access to for the renovation of the house? So very important to know that as you're looking at properties. Next is you need to know where to look. So, there's different ways you can find properties. We use different types of methods such as, driving for dollars. We have cold callers, we do mailings. So those are different things. You can also work with a professional such as us here at Core Real Estate. A lot of both novice and experienced investors work with us where we help them source different properties that they're looking to purchase, or maybe they're looking to joint venture with our company. So those are different areas that you can look in. And also be prepared, be ready to close, have your financing set up, whether you're self-funding, you're partnering, or you're getting a loan. So make sure you're be prepared. The one thing that could really cause you to stumble and lose the deal is not having your financing and being prepared to close when you say you're going to close. The next thing is get your inspection set up, get that done as quickly as possible. And lastly, and most importantly, is don't hesitate. Once you've done all your homework, you've done all your due diligence, a lot of people, they freeze up. They don't know, what the next step is. Should they, sign the contract? Should they make the offer? Don't hesitate. If you've done your due diligence, you've run your reports and your analysis, pull the trigger and make the deal happen. So I hope this helped you a little tidbit today, and you can visit us at corerealestateproperties.com to learn more about our company, and you can email me directly, Christian@corerealestateproperties.com. Thank you.